Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. Today we're checking out some new cases for the brand new Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip 3. So first case that we have, this is a silicone cover with ring. So pretty simple case here. It comes together with the strap and the ring in the middle, but if you want, you can actually take this out, which I'll show you in just a minute. So this just snaps right on the bottom, and then on the top. That's how it looks. Hopefully it won't pick up a lot of like smudges or dust. I know some silicone cases we've had in the past have picked up little dust particles or whatnot, so hopefully this one won't. But other than that, feels really nice. Gives you a good grip. Allows you to grip the phone a lot easier. Open it up. Gives you a little bit of a raise off the side in case you do that. Of course, you have this built-in ring. Allows you to hold it like that. Give you a little bit of security, knowing that you won't drop it. So that's a cool touch. And then if you want, you can kind of do that with your phone. I like that. So again, this is the silicone cover with ring from Samsung, and I believe it's $39.99. We'll put a link in the description for that one. These are two of the colors that it comes in. We got this navy blue and then lavender. That's how this one looks. It doesn't make the phone too much thicker. Still small enough to put in your pocket. Really gives you a nice grip on it. As opposed to having no case on it, the phone is a little bit slippery. So you can actually take this ring off if you don't want it. All you have to do is just go right here. It just snaps right off. That's it. And then you just have the two covers. So if you don't like the ring, you can take it off, use the two covers, and then you don't have that on the back. Being able to convert the case to use with or without the ring is a really nice touch. And for $39.99 on Samsung, it's a pretty good deal. So let's jump into the Z Fold 3. And this is by our friends at Doo2. That one snaps right on. So this one will protect the front of your screen, your side, and the back. And then you kind of have a little space open there, but the way that it comes off the phone on the side, it still would give you protection on the side if you were to like drop it or place it on its side. The only thing about this one is you have to fold it over and kind of hold it all together like that to use it without having this kind of flapping in the wind. So, but still nice case. I like the color. This one will actually turn into a tent and prop your phone. You can put this behind here and it will turn into a tent. Holds the Z Fold 3 nicely on its side. Makes it a lot easier for you to watch videos. So the other case that we have is a flip cover with pin from Samsung.com. And this one actually comes with the case and the pin for the Z Fold 3. It's one of the only two S pins that you can actually use with the Z Fold 3. So this one was $79.99 on Samsung.com. You get the case, the Fold Edition S Pen, and then some extra pin tips. So this one slaps right on the back. And this one also covers the front, as you can see. You have a little bit open on the side, but again, it raises off the side of the phone, so it will protect it on the side. And if you notice, you have this big, huge kind of hump sticking out for your S Pen. Makes it a little bit harder to hold it, but it does give you a place to house your S Pen. It actually slides off. And then you still can keep the S Pen in here, but it takes that side off your case. So it makes it a lot easier to hold and a lot easier to go in your pocket. And again, with this one, if you want to use it without having this kind of flap in there, you do have to fold it to the back and hold it like that. Doesn't work as a tent on this one, unfortunately. No way to do that. But it does give you the S Pen, which is $49.99 by itself. And it gives you a cool little holster for it. Keep it out by itself or attach it to the case. All right, so those are just a few examples of some of the cases available for the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. And definitely check out our Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 first impression videos. And do us a favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech news, reviews, and so much more. Thanks for questing with us, everybody. Have a great day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.